Today we're going to explore artificial intelligence and its profound impact on our everyday lives. This presentation, titled Unlocking AI for Everyday Impact, will provide you with comprehensive insights and practical applications of AI technology that you're likely already using, along with exciting future trends for 2025 to 2026. Let me walk you through what we'll cover today. We'll start with the foundations of artificial intelligence to ensure everyone has a solid understanding of the basics. Then we'll explore how AI touches our daily lives through consumer applications. We'll discuss AI's role in the workplace, examine important ethical and governance considerations, look at the tools that make AI accessible, and finally we'll peer into the future to see where AI is heading. This comprehensive approach will give you both theoretical knowledge and practical understanding. Let's begin with the fundamentals. To truly appreciate AI's impact, we need to understand what it is and how it works. Artificial intelligence at its core is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It encompasses several key areas: machine learning, which allows systems to improve through experience without being explicitly programmed for every scenario; natural language processing, which enables computers to understand and communicate in human language. Think of Siri or Alexa; and robotics, which combines AI with physical machines to perform tasks in the real world. These aren't separate technologies, but interconnected fields that work together to create intelligent systems. Let's define some key terms you'll hear throughout this presentation. Algorithms are the step-by-step instructions that tell AI systems how to solve problems. Models are the representations of patterns in data that AI uses to make predictions. Neural networks are computing systems inspired by the human brain structure with layers of interconnected nodes. And learning methods, there are different approaches like supervised learning, where we teach AI with labeled examples, and reinforcement learning, where AI learns through trial and error with rewards. Understanding these concepts helps demystify how AI actually works. AI didn't emerge overnight. It has evolved significantly over decades. In the early days, we had symbolic AI, which relied on rule-based expert systems essentially programming human knowledge into machines. This worked for specific, well-defined problems but had limitations. Modern AI, particularly deep learning, represents a paradigm shift. Using neural networks with many layers, these systems can recognize complex patterns in ways that earlier systems couldn't. The breakthrough came with more computing power, larger data sets, and better algorithms. This evolution continues today. It's important to distinguish between types of AI. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is what we have today: systems designed to perform specific tasks exceptionally well. Your smartphone's facial recognition, recommendation algorithms on Netflix, and voice assistants are all examples of narrow AI. General AI, or strong AI, is the science fiction version of a system that could perform any intellectual task a human can, demonstrating true versatile intelligence. We're nowhere near achieving general AI yet, and there's debate about whether we ever will. Everything we discuss today falls under narrow AI. Let's look at some common AI techniques. Decision trees split data based on features to make predictions. They're intuitive and easy to interpret. Support vector machines find the optimal way to separate different classes of data. And neural networks, which we mentioned earlier, are the powerhouse behind modern AI breakthroughs like image recognition and language translation. Each has strengths for different applications, and data scientists choose based on the specific problem they're solving. Now that we understand the foundations, let's explore how AI is already woven into your daily life, often in ways you might not even realize. Smart assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are perhaps the most visible AI applications. They use natural language processing to understand your voice commands and AI to provide relevant responses. Voice recognition has become remarkably accurate, able to understand different accents, background noise, and context. These assistants can control your home, answer questions, set reminders, and increasingly, have natural conversations. They're learning from millions of interactions to become more helpful every day. Your smart home is an AI showcase. AI-driven lighting adjusts automatically based on occupancy, time of day, and your habits, improving comfort while reducing energy consumption. Climate control systems learn your preferences and optimize temperature for both comfort and efficiency. AI-powered security systems can distinguish between family members, visitors, and potential threats, sending alerts only when necessary. The Internet of Things connects all these devices, with AI orchestrating them to work together seamlessly. Ever wonder how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch? That's AI analyzing your viewing habits, comparing them with millions of other users, and finding patterns. Spotify does the same with music. These systems analyze not just what you've watched or listened to, but when, for how long, and what you skipped. They consider context like time of day and your mood indicators. This deep analysis creates highly personalized recommendations that keep improving as they learn more about your preferences. Wearable devices like Apple Watches and Fitbits use AI to continuously monitor your vital signs. They track your heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and more. AI algorithms detect anomalies, irregular heartbeats, unusual sleep disturbances, and can alert you to potential health issues before they become serious. Apps provide personalized wellness advice based on your data, suggesting when to exercise, when to rest, and even detecting stress levels. This democratization of health monitoring is revolutionizing preventive health care. Your daily commute is guided by AI. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze use AI to analyze real-time traffic data from millions of users, predict congestion, and suggest optimal routes. They learn traffic patterns and can anticipate delays before they happen. Autonomous vehicles represent the next frontier AI systems that can perceive their environment, make decisions, and navigate safely without human intervention. We're also seeing AI-powered traffic management systems that optimize traffic light timing to reduce congestion citywide. Let's shift from personal life to the professional realm. AI is transforming how we work, making us more productive and enabling better decision-making. Businesses generate massive amounts of data, and AI excels at finding meaningful patterns in this data. AI can analyze customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency at speeds and scales impossible for humans. It identifies trends before they're obvious, predicts future market movements, and provides data-driven insights that support strategic decisions. This transforms business leaders from decision-makers relying on gut instinct to strategists armed with predictive intelligence. Robotic process automation uses AI to handle repetitive administrative tasks, data entry, invoice processing, report generation. This isn't about replacing employees but freeing them from mundane work. When automation handles routine tasks accurately and efficiently, employees can focus on complex problem-solving, creative work, and activities that require human judgment. This increases both productivity and job satisfaction while reducing errors in routine processes. HR departments are leveraging AI throughout the employee life cycle. In recruitment, AI tools can scan thousands of resumes, identifying qualified candidates far faster than humans. They can reduce unconscious bias by focusing on skills and qualifications rather than demographic information. AI-powered screening processes accelerate hiring while potentially improving quality. For employee engagement, AI-driven platforms can analyze communication patterns, survey responses, and performance data to identify engagement issues and suggest interventions before employees become dissatisfied. Customer service chatbots are AI systems that provide 24/7 support. They can handle common queries instantly, freeing human agents for complex issues requiring empathy and judgment. Modern chatbots use natural language processing to understand customer intent, access knowledge bases to provide accurate information, and even detect customer emotion to escalate appropriately. They continuously learn from interactions, becoming more effective over time. The result is faster service, lower costs, and better customer satisfaction. AI is enhancing how we collaborate, especially important in our increasingly remote work environment. Real-time transcription powered by AI captures meeting conversations accurately, creating searchable records. Language translation enables seamless communication across global teams speaking different languages. Smart scheduling AI can analyze everyone's calendars, preferences, and time zones to find optimal meeting times automatically. These tools remove friction from collaboration, making teams more effective regardless of location. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, we must address critical ethical, societal, and governance challenges. This is where technology meets human values. Responsible AI development requires ethical frameworks that align technology with human values. We must ensure AI respects human dignity, not using technology in ways that demean or manipulate people. Privacy must be protected. AI systems often process personal data, and we need safeguards. Fairness is crucial. AI shouldn't discriminate or create unjust outcomes. These principles guide developers, companies, and policymakers in creating AI that serves humanity positively. AI bias is a critical challenge. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI will perpetuate them. We've seen AI hiring tools that discriminated against women because they were trained on historical data, where men were disproportionately hired. Facial recognition systems that work poorly for people with darker skin tones because training data was predominantly lighter-skinned faces. Ensuring fairness requires diverse training data, careful algorithm design, ongoing monitoring, and diverse development teams who can identify potential biases. AI systems require data, often personal data, raising significant privacy concerns. How is your data collected? How is it stored? Who can access it? How is it used? Strong data protection frameworks like GDPR in Europe establish rights and responsibilities. Security is equally critical. AI systems can be targets for cyber attacks, and breaches could expose sensitive information or manipulate AI decisions. Robust cybersecurity measures, encryption, and secure system design are essential for trustworthy AI. Governments and organizations worldwide are developing AI policies and regulations. The EU's AI Act categorizes AI applications by risk level and imposes requirements accordingly. The goal is balancing innovation with safety. We want to encourage AI development while ensuring it doesn't harm individuals or society. Regulations address transparency, understanding how AI makes decisions, accountability, who's responsible when AI causes harm, and safety standards. This governance framework is still evolving as technology advances. AI will transform the job market, but the narrative isn't simply about job loss, it's about transformation. Some jobs will indeed be automated, particularly routine, repetitive tasks. But AI is also creating entirely new job categories: AI ethicists, machine learning engineers, AI trainers. The key is reskilling. Workers need opportunities to learn new skills relevant to an AI-augmented workplace. Companies, educational institutions, and governments must invest in training programs that prepare people for these changes. The future workforce will work alongside AI, not be replaced by it. Let's explore the tools, platforms, and resources that make AI accessible to more people, not just specialized researchers. Several frameworks have democratized AI development. TensorFlow, created by Google, is an open-source platform widely used for machine learning and deep learning. It provides tools and libraries that simplify building AI models. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, offers similar capabilities with a focus on flexibility and ease of use. making it particularly popular in research. These frameworks allow developers to build sophisticated AI applications without starting from scratch, significantly lowering the barrier to entry. Not everyone is a programmer, and low-code, no-code platforms address this gap. These tools provide visual interfaces where users can build AI models by dragging and dropping comments, configuring options through menus, and letting the platform handle the complex coding. This empowers business analysts, domain experts, and others without deep programming skills to leverage AI for their specific needs. It's democratizing AI, making it accessible beyond technical specialists. The AI community is remarkably collaborative. Open source projects allow anyone to access, use, and contribute to AI tools and models. This transparency accelerates innovation. Developers worldwide can build on each other's work. Vibrant communities provide support through forums, tutorials, and documentation. This collaborative ecosystem means someone learning AI today has access to cutting-edge tools and a global support network, dramatically lowering barriers to learning and innovation. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure offer AI services that scale effortlessly. Need image recognition for your app? Use a cloud AI service without building the capability yourself. These services handle the heavy computational lifting, provide pre-trained models, and simplify deployment. This lets organizations integrate sophisticated AI capabilities into their applications quickly and cost-effectively, without massive upfront infrastructure investments or deep AI expertise. Making AI accessible to non-experts is crucial for widespread benefit. This means user-friendly tools, clear documentation, educational resources, and interfaces that don't require programming knowledge. When teachers can use AI to personalize education, when small business owners can use AI for market analysis, when healthcare workers can use AI for diagnostic support, that's democratization. It expands innovation beyond tech companies, allowing diverse perspectives to shape how AI is applied. Finally, let's look ahead. Where is AI going, and how will it continue shaping our lives? Several exciting AI technologies are emerging. Explainable AI addresses the black box problem, making AI decisions transparent and understandable, crucial for high-stakes applications like healthcare or legal decisions. Edge computing moves AI processing from cloud servers to local devices, your phone, your car, enabling faster responses and better privacy. Adaptive learning models continuously evolve, improving their performance as they encounter new data, making AI systems that become more capable over time. AI is transforming education through personalization. AI-powered learning platforms adapt to each student's pace, learning style, and knowledge gaps, providing customized content and exercises. They identify where students struggle and provide targeted support. AI tutors can offer one-on-one assistance at scale. For lifelong learning, AI curates learning paths for professionals seeking new skills, recommends relevant courses, and tracks progress. This personalization makes education more effective and accessible. As AI scales, its environmental impact becomes significant. Training large AI models consumes enormous energy. Sustainable AI focuses on energy efficiency, developing models that achieve good performance with less computation. It means using renewable energy for AI infrastructure, optimizing algorithms for efficiency, and considering environmental impact in AI system design. Responsible resource use ensures AI contributes to solving problems like climate change rather than exacerbating them. The future isn't humans versus AI, but humans working with AI. This collaboration amplifies human capabilities. AI handles data analysis, pattern recognition, and repetitive tasks. Humans provide creativity, ethical judgment, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Together they achieve more than either could alone. AI augments human creativity. Artists use AI tools for inspiration. Scientists use AI to generate hypotheses. This symbiotic partnership is the most promising path forward. Looking ahead to the next decade, AI will become even more integrated into daily life, more seamless, more helpful, more personalized. We'll see revolutionary changes in healthcare with AI-assisted diagnosis and treatment. Education will be truly personalized at scale. Transportation will be safer and more efficient with autonomous vehicles and optimized traffic management. Industries will operate with unprecedented efficiency through AI-driven automation and optimization. Society will grapple with questions about AI governance, equity, and the changing nature of work. It's an exciting and challenging future. Let me summarize our journey today. We've seen that AI's transformative impact is already profound, touching virtually every aspect of our lives from how we work to how we entertain ourselves. Understanding AI's foundations, the algorithms, models, and learning methods helps us appreciate both its capabilities and limitations. Ethical considerations aren't optional extras but central to responsible AI development and deployment. Looking forward, AI trends point to more powerful, more accessible, and hopefully more beneficial technologies. The key is ensuring AI develops in ways that serve humanity, augment our capabilities, and address our challenges.
Did you notice the sample footer text at the bottom left corner? AI tools like Microsoft Copilot help us to speed up tasks and can generate presentations in minutes, saving us hours of manual effort. However, humans are essential for reviewing and refining the results to ensure accuracy and quality. The final outcome always benefits from the human touch and careful validation. This video was designed to provide you with an overview of artificial intelligence and to lay the foundations to discuss the capabilities specifically of one tool, which is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thank you for your attention.